What if your AI didn't just reply, but could think, decide, and act on its own? Most people are still stuck prompting chatbots that forget context, break workflows, and can't run real business logic. But the future of AI isn't conversation, it's orchestration. In this video, you're going beyond chatbots and into the world of autonomous AI agents powered by LangChain. Agents with memory, agents with tools, agents that reason, execute, and scale in production. Welcome to Celoris Academy. This is your roadmap to mastering LangChain and building real-world AI automation, the kind companies actually pay for. Let's stop prompting and start building.
All right, so we're all pretty used to chatting with AI, right? But what if those conversations could, actually do something? Today, we're going to dive into how to build intelligent bots that can really tackle real-world tasks. This is all about putting LangChain into action and seeing what it can really do. I mean, we've all been there, haven't we? You ask a chatbot a question, it gives you an answer. Super simple. But what happens when you need it to do something a little more complex, something with multiple steps? Well, that's where most of the AI we use every day just kind of hits a wall. Okay, check this out, because this slide really gets to the heart of the evolution we're talking about. On one side, you've got your simple chatbot. It responds, but no memory, no real actions. But on the other side, the automation bot. Now this is a total game changer. We're talking about an AI that can reason, use tools, actually remember what you've talked about, and see complex tasks through from start to finish. So yeah, our first big step here is to move way beyond those simple one-and-done prompts. And I mean, think about it for a second. The real world is messy, right? Problems aren't simple. You need to pull info from different places, you need to actually do things, like send an email or query a database, and you have to keep track of it all. A simple back-and-forth chat is just not going to cut it. So the big question is, how do we build an AI that can actually handle all that complexity? Well, what we need is an AI that doesn't just talk. It needs to be able to reason, and this is the crucial part, it needs to act. And the core idea behind all this has a name. It's called LLM orchestration. I know, it sounds kind of technical, but don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it sounds. It's really just about building these reasoning loops, where the AI isn't just spitting out text, it's actively using tools, pulling from its memory, and figuring out complex logic, all on its own. So, what does one of these reasoning loops look like in the wild? Let's break it down. Step 1, the AI deconstructs your request to really get what you're trying to do. Step 2, it picks the right tool for the job. Maybe that's a Google search, maybe it's your Gmail. Step 3, it actually runs the tool and does the thing. And finally, step 4, it pulls all the results together into one clean answer for you. It's this awesome, continuous cycle of thinking and doing. Okay, so to build these incredibly powerful reasoning loops, you're going to need the right set of tools. So let's pop open the toolkit and see what's inside. Here we go. These are the essential building blocks. You've got the LangChain Expression Language, or LCEL. Think of that as the basic grammar. Then there's advanced memory management, so the AI actually remembers what's going on. We've got RAG pipelines to connect to vector databases, custom tools, and of course, autonomous agents. These are basically the power-packed ingredients we're going to be working with. Let's start with LCEL, the LangChain Expression Language. This is absolutely fundamental. The best way to think about it is like the grammar, or maybe even the glue that lets us stick all these different AI parts together to create one smooth, seamless workflow. Next up is RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation. And honestly, this is where things get really, really cool. RAG is how you give an AI a long-term memory by hooking it up directly to your company's private documents and data. So suddenly, it's not just limited to what it was trained on, it can learn from your specific knowledge base. And all of this, it leads to what I think is the most exciting piece of the puzzle, autonomous agents. This is where we stop holding the AI's hand. We empower it to make its own decisions. You don't give it a step-by-step plan. Instead, you just give it a goal, a set of tools, and you let it figure out the best way to get the job done. It chooses its own path, its own actions. Pretty amazing. All right, so we've got the theory, we've got the tools, but what can we actually build with all this stuff? Let's put it all together and create something seriously practical, the Universal Assistant. So the end goal, the big prize, is to build a true end-to-end automation bot. We're talking about a single universal assistant that pulls together everything we've talked about. One that can think for itself, remember what you've said, and take actual real-world actions for you. And here's what makes it so incredibly powerful, the tools it can use. We can give this assistant a SQL connector so it can talk to your databases. We can give it a Gmail connector so it can handle your email. We can hook it up to a search API so it has access to the live web. It's totally connected to your digital world.
And look, this isn't just some pie-in-the-sky theory. We're talking about a framework that's already out there, being used by over 1,250 developers, with a crazy high 4.9-star rating. This stuff is battle-tested and proven to work in the real world.
Okay, so let's zoom out for a second and look at the bigger picture here. What does all of this really mean for the future? Well, it boils down to one word: automation. I love how the creator of this framework, Celoris, puts it. He says this is all about building the next generation of intelligent automation. And that's exactly what it is. We are literally witnessing a fundamental shift in what AI can do. So if there's one thing to take away from all this, it's this. We are moving from conversational AI to autonomous AI. We're leaving behind the era of chatbots that can only talk, and we're stepping into a new world of agents that can actually do. And that is the true power. That's the real revolution right there. Which brings us to a final question, and it's for you. If you had an AI that could reason, remember, and act using any tool you wanted to give it, what's the very first complex task you would automate? Just think about it, because the possibilities are really just beginning.
If this video helped you see what AI can really do beyond simple chatbots, make sure you like this video. It helps more builders find real, practical AI content. And subscribe to Celoris Academy if you want deep dives into LangChain, autonomous agents, real-world workflows, and production-ready AI systems. Not hype, just execution. The future belongs to those who build systems, not prompts. I'll see you in the next lesson.